Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Oh, thank you for the
welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know, all the good things. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Today's vlog is very exciting because we are going on holiday and I am so excited. So we are on our way to Port Stephens, which is like 2 hours away from Sydney, I think. But right now we are going quad biking, so that's where we're driving to first, and then after quad biking we will do jet skiing. So today is going to be like a activity packed day, and then I think the other days of the holiday it's just like chilling and, you know, just enjoying. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are going to enjoy the vlog. I'm going to try to like take more footage this time and just make the vlog more interesting. So without further ado, is that what you say? So let's get into this vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoy.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Pull up the thing, gon' turn up. Pull up the thing, gon' turn up. Yeah. Pull up the thing, gon' turn up. Yeah. Pull up the thing, gon' turn up. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, come for this ooh, yeah, pull off a certain, yeah, come set the mood, yeah, you come like sunshine, yeah, come meet the moon, baby go fine, so fine, might give her the woo, hey, ooh, yeah, come for this ooh, yeah, pull off a certain, yeah, come set the mood, yeah, you come like sunshine, yeah, come meet the moon, baby go fine, so fine, might give her the woo.
Look at how beautiful this place is. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. It looks very posh, like very like the Hamptons, exactly like the Hamptons, just nice and sleek but now honestly, how else did you fall? That's because our instructor was new and he got lost.
I think during the area I wanted to move down there. That was what I'm doing. So my boy I'm friend that sees some more there.
No, when we did quad biking in Sydney, that was amazing. Like that was like one of the most amazing experiences. But it just felt more like there are no what do you call them? Like there were no thrills. It was just sand dunes. Nothing exciting. Do you remember like when we did? But it wasn't exciting. Do you remember with Sydney there was that one that we had to jump over?
Instead of going like with the flow of the sand, actually have forced it through it.
That's how I felt. Like it was just the whole time. It was. And like, do you remember how fast we were going last time?
Yeah.
It was thrilling. Today it was just.
My baby, my Valentine. Yeah. Can I you they make my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your loving totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your coffee. Your body never come she open up, make I see you on it. You're my love, one city. If you make a bad man single.
Hi guys, I thought I should come and update you guys on today because it's just been a lot of activities. So in the morning I told you guys that we were going to do quad biking and jet skiing. So we did quad biking at this place called Quad Bike King in Nelson Bay, and then after that we went and we did jet skiing. Oh my goodness guys, I had never done jet skiing before. It was just incredible. Like it was fun. It was so good that I would even go back and do it tomorrow. And then after that we came, we checked in this place. Gorgeous, stunning. It's just beautiful, and the service that we are getting is really nice. And yeah, we came, we checked in, we went to the pool. And then after that we went back to our room, we took a shower, we slept, and now, as you guys can see, I'm in the bathroom by the way. Now we are just going to do like a pajama party with the family, and we're just going to play games and drink, you know, just like chill and be together as a family. And that's what we are going to do now. My voice sounds a bit rusty because I just woke up and I'm just so tired. But yeah, that is what is going to be happening now, and I just wanted to update you guys on what we have been up to. Welcome to the ugly sweater party.
My baby, my Valentine. Yeah. Can I hear the making my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear. That's a bluff.
Why is that cheap? Why is that $5?
So far, you ain't getting money.
Folds.
I want to get
Can I snatch away that
This is the last time. I'll go win the next time. Okay. Anybody else putting in more money?
I don't want to see that.
We're gonna pay a charge. Yeah, I'll get it.
Because what's the point?
Alright. Let's review cards, guys. I but I just not keep the money around there.
I said, what the hell?
Let's review cards.
You want to go on?
Yeah,
Let's review.
let's review cards.
Wait, you Cooper?
Pay 2. Nothing
I have a
else.
pen sequence, guys.
What sequence?
What sequence?
But
Apana
it's
4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Plus the pen. What
Is it a
else do you
sequence?
want?
This is the straight.
There's a straight and a sequence. The sequence, they pay. But I don't check
Wait.
Huh? Guys,
This is straight.
oh,
That was even good as well.
what is it? You won't go see it.
No, I did a 7, but after I put it on 7, and then I can triple.
What a treble.
Saka, who wins here?
Wasn't there
Yes,
two,
yeah.
like in
It's a
the
straight.
Wait.
I have a straight.
The no, just
You
a
don't
straight
want it double,
is
but-
better than anything.
Saka straight can be any 5 consecutive numbers.
Any 5 consecutive.
Even in a one card ball, it's like Congress.
You should have gone all in at the beginning. Because
Oh,
double
yeah.
But
K,
you told me to never go all in.
But you double K. Ruta angane nothing in the beginning.
Yeah.
If you'd gone all in, should have said
But all in at the beginning, you won't get money, guys. Because everyone will
Apana,
say
there's
no.
nothing here.
but you should have gone hard in the beginning.
Merry Christmas, Cairo! This is your first
boy.
Christmas. Hey, mommy.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Good morning, guys. Merry Christmas to you all. We're about to go for breakfast. I just wanted to show you guys the view from our little balcony area. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, babe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Merry Christmas, gorgeous. Thank you for another incredible year together filled with huge achievements. Can't wait to get into the next year and continue to work towards our goals. Enjoy your... Enjoy your big watch, girl. And remember me always when you wear it. Love you 10,000. Ah, Swarovski. Oh my god. 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 Oh my god, babe. Oh my god. My cheeks hurt. My cheeks hurt so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my god. Wow. Can I take it out?
Alright.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
I told you.
Merry Christmas. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We are about to go and do the Tomari Head Summit Walk, which is exactly this portrait that we have in our hotel room. So we are going to go and take a picture of the actual thing with you guys. It's not an easy hike at all, but we are excited to see this exact view when we get to the top. So let's go for the hike. It's worth that pain that you feel when you're coming out, because it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, this is stunning. It is so dark, huh? We made it, guys. We made it to the top. It was just absolutely beautiful. This is actually our third time doing this. but every single time that you do it, it still feels like the first time, because it's just absolutely stunning when you get to the top. But coming up is hard. Now we're about to go back to the hotel, go for breakfast, go swimming. We have high tea in the afternoon, so it's actually going to be a very interesting day. Like, look at this, guys. Wearing Gymshark. Gymshark should start sponsoring me. I prophesy one day, just one day, I'll be a Gymshark babe. You guys are going to remind me one day when I finally become a Gymshark babe. That'll be the day I would have made it. Do you want to do pedal boarding after this, babe? Do you want to do pedal boarding? You done? So do you want to go back and swim, or basketball first and then swimming?
Swim first, when we get back to Tokyo. Do a few laps, and then once I'm drying,
Do you want some gelato? Babe, you want me to put some water on your legs? It's very, like, cooling. How's been your holiday? What's been the highlight of your holiday so far? Me too. Ah, babe. No, not on my butt, babe. This is nice. I feel like I used to confuse kayaking with whitewater rafting, because like this is so chill and the water is very calm, so it's not. No babe, no, please no. And why are we not moving anymore and the boat is turning? I thought we said we're going all the way under the mountain. Nelson Bay has so many experiences to do. It's just amazing. I'm getting tired. I'm really getting tired. Ready for high tea, guys. This is what I am looking like. Let me fix my tan. Wearing a white, my heels. I did the bare minimum with my makeup today, but I like it. It's very hot, so this will have to do.
Then smoked salmon and cream cheese, cucumber and soft cheese too, and then we've got the beautiful saffron mayo with chicken. Alright, I'm gonna bring you the desserts. Enjoy.
Alright, to pop this one down again for you.
So we've got the beautiful okra on the top. We got passion fruit cheesecake, pistachio passion fruit layouts, and then we got, this is extra from us for Merry Christmas. It's our beautiful brownies for Christmas time. Okay, they're really nice. I hope you enjoy. And the bottom we got the scones. All right, family, enjoy. I think she's really happy with
really
that.
happy.
That's good. A picture, yeah, of course. No problem.
Time, guys. Like, it was just so adventurous, so relaxing, and you know, just spending time with family. It was just incredible, and I would not change anything from this trip. I pushed myself to try things I'd never done before. I'd never done jet skiing, I'd never done kayaking. I really enjoyed doing quad biking. Like, we just did so much, and we ate so much good food. We relaxed, you know. I feel energized and rejuvenated. The only thing I'll change is I would have wanted to stay here for longer, because it's just gorgeous. It's I don't know how to explain it, but I think I should close off this vlog now, because today's our last day and we're going back home today. So I should close this vlog now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video, and thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for an amazing year. This is probably my last vlog for this year, so thank you so much for being patient with me for the times that I disappear, because I just had so much going on this year, guys. I had so much studying going on this year, but at least next year I don't have studying to do. I only have 2 exams for my CA before I become a qualified chartered accountant. So I only have 2 more exams, and that will be enough studying for me. There will be no more studying after that. So, you know, I know next year I can put all my focus on YouTube and like just making quality content for you guys. So thank you so much for an amazing year. I wish you guys a happy 2022. I wish you guys all the best. I hope you guys accomplish all your dreams and all your aspirations that you have for this new year. But till my next video in 2022, bye guys.